Hey everybody, so I got this big old saw blade. I've had it for a while, and I think I'm going to cut it up into a bunch of knives. It's kind of a neat thing to cut knives out of, because one, it's already hard, so that's cool, and two, it is tapered, so that's almost 300, or it's 5/16 there, and about an 1/8 inch at the edge. So it tapers out to a nice point, and it's hard, springy steel already. And it's not any useful for a saw blade at all anymore, so I'll lay it out and we'll see what it looks like. So here we got our layout done, and I'm going to start whittling at this, but I think first I'm going to cut a test strip and we'll go snap it off and take a look at what the grain looks like. Okay, so we'll see. So it'll bend a little bit. Let's see if it'll bust off. There we go. So that looks pretty good to me. God damn it. There's our grain. It don't look too bad to me. I mean, for basic run-of-the-mill stuff. We'll cut them out and see how they come out. It feels like it's a softer steel than what you would normally harden a knife to, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. There's our quick grind thing. Picks up, it's got an okay edge on it. There's a little bit of a wowie in there I gotta fix. So let's see. Not too bad. Okay, and I don't see a lot of glinting there, so pretty good. I mean, for a working knife, yeah. I don't know if you could get it super sharp, but let's see if we can, yeah, we'll twist and pry, okay. Yeah, I know it's not a hatchet. That ain't half bad.